Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Iron Man on acoustic guitar. Start by tuning to standard E and learn the main riff slowly with a metronome at a comfortable tempo. Focus on clean downstrokes and palm muting for that heavy tone on a single acoustic. Practice short loops, gradually increase speed, and add dynamics to match the recorded feel while keeping your strumming relaxed and consistent throughout. Warm up your hands and pick grip before attacking the main riff, then isolate the first 4 bars and play them on repeat. Focus on precise timing and muted open strings to emulate the original riff's punch. Once you can play it cleanly at a slow tempo, increase speed in small steps while maintaining clarity, and practice transitioning smoothly in and out of the riff into the verse sections for musical flow. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for reliable cushioning and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long practice sessions and standing gigs. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick up a pair, grab your gear, and steady your footing. Now let's get back to the video. Work on adapting electric power chords to acoustic-friendly shapes while preserving the song's punch, and emphasize dynamics between verse and chorus for impact. Strum softly during verses and open up during choruses to recreate the contrast, and pay attention to muting unwanted string noise. Practice clean transitions by isolating chord changes using a metronome and gradually speeding up until you can play through the full progression without hesitating or losing rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.